Mr. Vasquez, are you there, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. All right. All right, the court is calling cause number 2020 DCM 3040. This is a hearing on a motion or a petition filed under the suit affecting parent-child relationship. There appears to be 3 minor children before the court. The parties in this case are Ricardo Vasquez and Angelica Escorza, who are present before me under the Zoom application. My Antonio Rodriguez. I'm the Associate Judge for the Title 40 Court here in El Paso, Texas. And we are proceeding on this hearing based on a Zoom application. Since we cannot appear in court, the courts have allowed us to conduct remote hearings since we can't go in a courthouse. And parties are now present before me. I understand, Mr. Hargis, there's an agreement, there's an announcement to be made in this case.
Yes, Your Honor, there is an agreement that's been reached on all the issues before the court.
All right. All right. Based on that announcement, Mr. Vasquez and Ms. Escorza, I'm just going to ask you to raise your right hand so I can swear you both in. Do you and each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony that you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, both parties answered in the affirmative. All right, Mr. Hargis, tell me what the agreement is.
Okay, it's joint managing conservatorship with Miss Escorza as the primary, being joint managing conservator, no geographic restrictions, standard possession order, child support set at $324 a month, beginning October 1st, 2020, with a step down amount of $270 and another step down amount of $216. Medical support, $57 a month, beginning October 1st, 2020, to reimburse the state. A retroactive child support judgment in the amount of $4,353 as of today, with a payment to pay off that amount at $72 a month, beginning October 1st, 2020. And also the parties agreed to refer Mr. Vasquez to NCP Choices.
All right. All right, I'm going to ask the parties. First, Ms. Escorza, is this your agreement, ma'am?
Yes.
Mr. Vasquez, is this your agreement, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, having heard the parties stipulate on the record, I will adopt that agreement, make that agreement part of the court order that is to be issued in this case. Now, Mr. Vasquez, I understand that you're agreeing to participate in the what we call the NCP Choices program. That program here in El Paso, it is a statewide program. It is operated through the Texas Workforce Commission. Here in El Paso, we call it the Trabajo Ándale program. And purpose of that referral is to see if they can help you with employment opportunities, okay? So the order is going to contain that referral to that program. I'm going to give you some information of who to contact with that program, Mr. Vasquez. So if you have something to write with or some take-home information.
What is it, sir? What is it, sir?
All right, the person that you're going to be talking to is Angel Hernandez. He is the program director here in El Paso. And his phone number is 250-6927.
Can you repeat the number again?
Yes, sir. It's 250-6927.
Thank you, sir.
And the information, the contact information that we have, that the Attorney General has for you, is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hargis, can you verify what contact information you have for Mr. Hernandez or for Mr. Vasquez?
Yes, sir.
What is your address, Mr. Vasquez?
320 Elisa Drive, 79905.
Okay, hold on a second. Let me make sure. Is it the same address that you were served with papers?
Yes, sir.
Was that the address on Alicia Circle? Alicia Drive, Mr. Vasquez?
Yes, sir.
320 Alicia Drive.
Right.
Okay, because that information is going to be contained in the referral to the NCP Choices Program. All right, the court will approve the agreement that has been stipulated to by the parties, and that'll be the order of the court. All right, Mr. Hargis, if you will go ahead and prepare the order, send it to me through the DocuSign. I will sign it. Once I sign it, the order will be filed with the clerk's office, and copies will be sent to the parties. Is there anything
Yes, Your
else
Honor.
to address?
There's nothing else. We've got everything completed. Thank you.
Oh, very well. Thank you all for your participation. Matter out. At this time, the court will conclude a hearing and excuse both parties. Both parties are free to go. Thank you all very much.
Thank you.